Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you have lots of conversations with the ChatGPT and you want to delete them all in a bulk, you can see if you go here and click archive or delete, you need to go one by one. But we have this ChatGPT delete all chats. This is a Google Chrome extension, and so you just install it. It's featured 5.0 ratings, 1000 users there. It's super awesome. But before you install that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my other useful videos that will help you out in online world. So let's go back to the ChatGPT. After you install this extension, you will go up and you can see these multi-select actions. So enable it and you can select here, select all. It will select all chats here. You can archive selected or delete all the selected. For example, I will unclick this, and I will click delete selected and hit confirm. And it will delete all the messages that you have. But I have like 1 million messages, so it will take a bit even with this tool to delete them all. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, let me know in the comments below. Drop some likes, subscribe for new content every day, and see you in some other video. Have a nice day and thanks for watching. Bye bye.